Does this sound familiar? You get down on the mat, ready to conquer your core with a plank?
You're holding it, trying to breathe, and then you feel it. That dull ache or even a sharp pain creeping into your lower back.
Or maybe for you, it's a burning tension right between your shoulder blades, making you want to quit long before your abs even feel tired.
It's frustrating, right? You're trying to do something good for your body, but it ends up hurting in all the wrong places.
You're not alone. And the good news is, it's almost never about a weak back.
That pain is actually your body's way of telling you that your plank form has a little secret flaw, and we're going to fix it together in few parts.
The reason your back hurts during a plank almost always comes down to one simple thing. You're missing that straight, rigid, like a plank line from your head to your heels.
Most of the time, this happens in one of two ways. The first is when your hips start to sag down toward the floor, creating a little U-shaped dip in your lower back.
When this happens, all the weight and pressure your core should be handling gets dumped onto your lower spine, and it's just not designed to hold that load.
The second common mistake is the opposite. You push your hips up too high, or you round your upper back like a scared cat, shifting the strain into your shoulders and that upper back area.
But don't worry, fixing this is much easier than holding the plank itself.
It all comes down to 3 tiny adjustments that you can make right now. First, let's talk about your hands. This is your foundation. If your hands are too close together or directly under your shoulders, it actually makes it harder to engage your back muscles properly.
So place your hands firmly on the ground, slightly wider than your shoulders.
Imagine you're about to do a push-up. This wider base instantly gives you more stability and makes the next steps so much easier. Now, here is the magic 30-second fix. The one thing that changes everything. Squeeze your glutes. Seriously, give them a squeeze right now, even if you're just sitting or standing.
Feel that? When you clench your butt muscles, it does something amazing to your pelvis. It tucks it slightly under your body.
This simple action automatically flattens out that sagging lower back and locks your hips into a safe, neutral position. It's like flipping a switch that turns off your back pain and turns on your true core strength. So when you're plank, make a conscious effort to squeeze your glutes as hard as you can and keep them squeezed for the entire hold. The final piece of the puzzle is to stop thinking about just holding yourself up and start thinking about actively engaging your abs. Imagine you're about to get tickled in the stomach, or you're bracing yourself for a gentle punch. Pull your belly button up and in towards your spine and feel your entire core tighten like a corset. This doesn't mean you're holding your breath. You should still breathe smoothly, but you're maintaining that tension. When you combine this engaged core with those tightly squeezed glutes, your entire body becomes one strong, straight line. The work is now happening in the right places. Your abs, your glutes, your shoulders, and your back is just happily along for the ride, pain-free. So the next time you get into a plank, remember this simple 3-part checklist.
Set a wide, stable foundation with your hands.
Then, squeeze your glutes to lock your hips in place. And finally, engage your abs, like you're bracing your core. Put it all together and you'll feel the difference instantly. Your plank will feel stronger, more solid, and most importantly, your back will feel absolutely nothing, which is exactly what we want.
You've got this. Thanks for watching.